How to fix Prison Escape Simulator Dig Out keeps crashing on Steam or is crashing on Steam. So first you want to head to your library and then right click on the game, go to Properties and then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files button, and then simply wait for this process to verify and repair your files. Now once this is done, you want to click on the Browse button and then right click on the game's exe file, go to Properties and then Compatibility tab and check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as admin. Click on Apply and OK. Now you can close this and go to the General tab and specify -DX11 in the launch options. Then you can close this. Next, you want to open up your GPU application. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need NVIDIA app, obviously, and go to drivers section and then check for the latest updates and make sure to download and install them. So for example here, Game Ready driver, you will need to download and install the latest version. Now once this is done, you will most likely be prompted to restart your system. Now once you do that, you should open up Steam again and simply launch or play the game, and that should solve the crashing issues. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.